Here's a pair of Sony ULT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. First thing is we need to go to settings on our Samsung TV, so you can just go ahead and click on the home button. Make sure you get the apps lined up down here, and you want to start moving over to the left to the 3 horizontal lines, so just moving left, left. Now it turns into a gear icon, the settings icon right there, settings. Click on OK on the remote. From here, we're going to go down one to sound, and then click on OK on the remote. And now sound output is currently coming out of the TV, but we want it to come out of these headphones. So we're going to go ahead and select sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Click on OK on the remote. And now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode that is near me, okay? So let's go ahead and put these in a pairing mode, okay? So on the one side here, you have the power button, okay? So first thing is, let me just turn these off. Okay, so they're currently off. So now let's just turn it on. Let's press and hold for 4 seconds, or until the light comes on. Okay, now if it's in pairing mode, you know if you get a blue blinking light where it blinks blue, 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 blue. I'm getting like a rapid blue here, and it's only blinking blue like singly because it's connected to, I think, one of my phones or another TV. Okay, so for me, I had to turn these off first. Again, let me turn these off. Hold it for 4 seconds till it turns off. Now this time, I'm going to press and hold that power button and keep holding until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so power button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold this time. Keep holding. Wait. Blue, 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 blue. There it is. It's a pairing mode. Now we go back to our TV here, and I took too long. So let me go back to Bluetooth speaker list. And now it's searching for devices in pairing mode, and these are still in pairing mode, and found it down here. You see the ULT down there, needs pairing. Go down there, click on OK on the remote. Pair and connect, click on OK. And then wait for it to connect. There it is connected, and you can see the ULT is now connected. Now here's the thing. If you had issues where you couldn't pair or connect it, then go ahead and try to factory reset these. If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below.